Hello, in this video, I will be showing you guys how to do question 2, part B. So in this question, we need to create a simple linear regression model to predict quarterly sales based on age. So the first question, enter the regression equation. This cell is not going to be graded, so we just enter in the number, or I'm sorry, the equation, which we had done in the previous question 2, part 8. So this is my regression equation right here. So I'm going to do y equals 110.73 plus 5514.5. Um, so that's our equation. I'm missing the x here. And now, what is the value of the slope of the regression? To answer the remaining of the questions, well, for this one, you could just do slope and select the data, but you could just you can just get the summary of the regression. So you would go to data analysis tool, then you're going to find regression, hit OK. Now it will show you the options, input white range. In the previous question, I already set it here. So the white range will be quarterly sales. Quarterly is the dependent variable. And then X, the independent variable, will be age. I didn't select the labels, so I don't have to check mark labels on here. Now I'm going to select the output range. I want to set it on this side and hit OK. So now from here, I like to fix the values so they are proper values. So I just go to home and click number. And normally we're asked for 3 decimals, so I just make it 3 decimals. Now from there, we can just do, so the slope is our coefficient for X equals, this is the X variable, this is a coefficient. As you can see, it's matching what we previously had in the equation, 110.73. That's one way you can confirm that you did it right. And then the value of the intercept of the regression, you can find it here too. This is the coefficient of the intercept equals that. And what's the proportional variability in quarterly sales explained by the model? So the proportion will be your R squared, and equal to that. What is the correlation between currently and age? This will be your multiple R on the regression output or summary equal to that. And what is the predicted quarterly sales for a customer that has age of 52? In this one, we're going to use the equation and we're just going to plug in. So in this case, we could just do 110.73, which is our coefficient for X right here. And we're going to times it by 52. And then now it comes to plus 5514.5. So we put this one, and that should give us our answer. So this is the, after we plug in 52, now on this residual, so for the residual, we're going to do equals to the expected, the actual minus expected. So the actual was 10,454. It's telling you here that it is actually 10,454 minus the expected, which is this cell right here. And that's going to be your response. Now, to determine the p-value and conclusion for the coefficient of age using significant level of 5%. So the p-value, you're going to see it on the summary also. It's right here, this one. You can see the p-value there. Now, to determine if it's significant or not, if the p-value is greater than the significance level, then the conclusion is that it's not significant. In this case, the significance level is 0.5 or 5%, and the p-value is 0.13 or 13%. In this case, the conclusion is age is not a significant predictor of quarterly sales. And those are your answers. Now you're going to check. And you have question 2, part B. And these are the answers for part B. And you can see that everything is right there. And that's your answer.